'Twas the night before Christmas, and down at Xtreme, the bays were still humming, like some gearhead's dream. Lift kits, wheels, and liners ready to go. Rust remedy sealing where road salt will show. Remote starts were cued for those icy cold days, and tint kept the glare from your winter sun rays. Detailing was wrapped up, shine looking brand new. So every truck rolled out feeling fresh from the crew. Then quiet rolled in with the last sockets clink, and the shop took a breath. Enough time to think. If your ride needs protection, a little more height, swing by Xtreme. We'll get it dialed in right. Merry Christmas from our crew to you. So, drive safe through the night. Stay warm on the roads, and we'll see you soon to get it done right.